Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to contact Temu customer service. First thing you should do is to simply open Temu application on your phone and log in into your account. Once you sign in, you will have to click on your profile icon on the bottom middle side right here. Then you should go up on the top right corner and click on this cogwheel button. It will show you this page with many help articles. If you cannot find your problem listed right here, you can click on this button on the bottom of the screen. Click on contact us. Then here it will jump you directly to this page. Here you have these options. You can take a photo, upload a photo from your gallery. And when you click on this tag sign, you can simply send them a specific order that you want to track or a specific number or link of a product that you really want to ask about. You can also chat with them by using this chat box and send the customer service any question that you need. At first, a bot will talk with you, and after that, they will refer you to one of their representatives. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.